very special, different, feels amazing, and works so well. So shop for it while it is available. Now, everything else you're gonna see the rest of this hour, it's all kind of a complement, right? HydraScreen's the base, HydraScreen's the serum. What can we do now to target your specific aging concerns and problems? Well, for those of you that complain about your eyes, and I'm talking every problem with your eyes, right? The crow's feet, the fine lines and wrinkles, the puffiness, the darkness, the hooding, feeling like your brow is heading south and your eyelids falling over your eye. Listen, a lot of people, they go to Dr. Nassif and say, let's fix this, right?
Remember, that's the first thing that goes,
right?
Is the upper eyelids.
So what you did was you created not just any old eye product, but something that was 360 degrees, right?
Absolutely.
Periorbital, meaning it deals with the hooding, it deals with the lid, it deals with the brow and the brow bone, and it deals with the dark circles, the puffiness, the crow's feet, the fine lines and wrinkles. And here's the amazing thing. Once again, I'm gonna blow your mind with value. There's a very limited supply of these. It's only for those of you shopping with us tonight. These are double-sized jars. Most of your eye products at the department store are half-ounce jars. These are each a full ounce. So this is the equivalent of buying 4 full-size jars of what you would normally get at any beauty department store counter. They're $20 a month on FlexPay. It's an $80 buy. I want you to think of any eye product you've ever used for one major concern, and was it a skosh more than 20 bucks? That's what this is. This is like buying 4 jars of Beverly Hills board certified plastic surgeon, top of the line 360 degree eye solution product. It's all available for you today for the only airing of the day. There's 700 in stock. It's $20 a month. I mean, you kind of spoil us. The price with this ingredient deck, the amount that you offer, it's truly incredible.
By the way, the VIN Uplift, remember when I was talking to you about ingredients? Now, if we have that little picture of the VIN Uplift, which are grapes that I found in Switzerland that are frozen on the vine. Now, they're used to make the Swiss ice wine. However, they're alcohol-free. They're only harvested a few times a decade. That product in the pilot studies been shown to increase hydration and give us that lift. And when I show you the before and afters, you're gonna see the lift that we're talking about.
Let's be honest, you would not put your Beverly Hills practice on the line for an eye product unless it worked, considering that's what 80% of your patients want from you.
Well, listen, I gotta tell you something though. When I looked at before and afters, I did expect an improvement, just like when you're looking at now. I expected the improvement in the lines,
right.
Okay? But I did not expect the lift. And that's why we put this on the upper eyelid and the lower eyelid and the crow's feet.
Just guys,
look
stop
at the
for one
lift.
second. Look at the eyelid in the before.
And my hands did not touch it.
You can't find the eyelid in the before. And there it is in the after. Reappeared, reawakened, lifted, and rediscovered.
1 month.
Yes.
That's 1 month. And the thing is also the neopeptides. By the way, look at the front. Look at the opening of the eyelid on this, and this again is only 1 month. And we have the neopeptides, and we have ethyl absorbic acid, which is an incredible form of vitamin C. And do we have more of these? And the before and afters show you everything. And if you look at the wrinkles, how they subsided.
Wow.
If you look at the lifting effect on what we call the lateral hooding, if you look at the softening of the wrinkles or called rhytids on the lower eyelid, this is absolutely incredible lifting power. And again, it's that hydration, and it's the VIN Uplift. All these in unison, concert work together to give you these lifts.
From frozen Swiss ice wine grapes. It is absolutely amazing. And this is the thing, okay? This was a special only for the close tonight. And what you're seeing is, make no mistake about it, the equivalent of 4 full-size eye product jars. I don't care what brand you're buying. I don't care whether it starts with an L or a P or an M. All the major brands, all the top-of-the-line super expensive eye products at $60 and $70 and $80, they're a half an ounce. Each one of these jars is a full ounce. This is the equivalent of buying 4 jars of what you're buying at a department store and the amount that you're getting, and you get it today for basically $20 a jar. Think about that. 4 times the amount of what you're getting for $20 a month on FlexPay. Think of this as 4 jars. That's $20 a jar with Swiss ice wine, top of the line, age-defying ingredients that actually lift.
Oh, yeah.
That actually lift the lid and work 360 degrees.
And that's why, again, these are not, remember, anywhere you are across the country, by the way, watch Sue apply this, how she's putting on her brow bone and on her upper eyelid and her lower eyelid. Anywhere you are from across the country, I'm saving you a trip, and you start early And then coming into the Beverly Hills office, and by the way, those before and afters that you saw were 1 month. This is what? This is probably, what, 6 months probably. And take a look at the way she's applying it. And I'm gonna go head over to the plasma because I'm excited, ecstatic, and I gotta do a little dance as I come over here. We have to show these before and afters. I mean, no, you gotta come with me, brother. You gotta come. Look at this. All right, now look at, here we go. My brother and my sister are watching me. They go, Paul, you gotta dance. Now take a look. Look at underneath the eye.
I mean, may I?
Look at this. Look
can I like dance my way in and go like, look at that. Look at that. I mean, seriously, look at the darkness. Look at the bagginess. Look at it.
So here's your before, but look at the improvement. And by the way, 1 month.
Yep.
1 month, and this is gonna last you probably 6 months.
Well, think about it. Normally your half-ounce jar lasts 6 weeks. You're getting 4 of them today because they're each a full ounce. It's a double jar, and you're getting double the supply. It's an amazing deal. It's only for you this hour. It's only for our final full hour with Dr. Paul Nassif before we don't see him again until June when we celebrate his birthday. Let the cat out of the bag.
That's right, you
we're
just said
gonna
it
do
right
some
there.
serious dancing then. Join us and shop for this one if you are not seeing 360-degree transformation to your eye area. There's only about, I think, 500 of these left to go. It's the only chance to see it today. Don't miss it. The deal is amazing, but the results, man, do they speak for themselves.
I mean, you know, and by the way, this is what we call hooding. And again, these are these fine etching called crow's feet. And then if you look at the texture, and by the way, the skin on the upper and lower eyelid are the thinnest in the entire face. So we have to be very careful what we put on. But if we take a look, the lifting power as we put on from the brow, upper eyelid skin, the lateral crow's feet area, and underneath. And again, you put that on. Then you put your Hydra screen on top of that if you like. Okay, do we have another one of these? God, I love looking at these photos. And that's what's fantastic. All right, here we go again. Take a look at the brightness, the opening, the aperture of the eyelid. Take a look over here. Take a look right here. Take a look at the crow's feet. Now look at the difference. Look how these, take a look at the luminosity, the glow. Take a look how the wrinkles have softened. So again, like you filtered, like you put a filter on this and there's no filter, no social media filters. And look at that lifting effect from here. Now again, that's 1 month. That's why this is fantastic. And here's a frontal view. Again, I didn't do anything. The patient did not visit me in Beverly Hills. But again, these again are clinical studies and these photos are shown. 1 month, take a look at the opening of the eyelid. That is what's fantastic to all of you out there. And that's why the eye is so important.
Okay, and here's the thing I want you to remember. You have 2 eyes, you get 2 jars, and they're both double-sized jars. We don't offer Beverly Hills board-certified plastic surgeon, star of Ease Botch, 30 years of major reconstructive experience at major values. Those don't go together, but they do for you as part of this show tonight. I want you to remember most of your eye products at your department store are ½ an ounce. One of these jars is a full ounce. This is the equivalent of buying 4 jars from your department store, and you're getting all of it today for $20 a month on any major debit or credit card. You're getting all of it today for $80. If you think about getting 6 months of anti-hooding, fighting the crow's feet, the fine lines and wrinkles, fighting the drooping, the sagging, even the darkness was minimized in some of those pictures. Because of these top-of-the-line ingredients, it is an amazing, one-of-a-kind purchase, and we saved it as a special. Nobody but you guys got to see it tonight. I know you see on your screen there's about 480 remaining. With everybody calling, there's half that left. This was the only chance to see it today, and it's totally worth it. If you're buying ½ ounce after ½ ounce after ½ ounce, and you still feel like you can't see your eyelids. You still feel like, you know, you need spoons or cucumbers or whatever trick mom taught you. Try Dr. Nassif's products. He's putting his Beverly Hills Plastic Surgery name on the line because he knows they work.
And then, by the way, look at the texture of this. And this, by the way, is luxurious. I don't know if you can get a close-up and see what this looks like. And this is why it's so important to actually just take a small amount, put on your eyes, and again, it's those peptides. Take a look at that. It's the peptides, it's the ethyl absorbic acid, it's the VIN Uplift, and that is what makes this magical. And this is why everybody should be using this in their eyes, because my goal is to prevent you from coming all the way out to Beverly Hills. Listen, I'd love to see you, but if I can get you a piece of Beverly Hills in your house with you tonight, I'm there for it.
And I want to ask you this. First of all, the FlexPay is like the price of parking in Beverly Hills, I'm pretty sure these days, right?
$20 or so.
Yeah. So everybody knows the tricks we've all learned about how we apply under the eye, right? That
Yes.
You're not supposed to press hard, you're supposed to use your ring finger. What do you suggest for working around the eyelid and around the brow bone? How do you apply to make sure you get the best benefits?
You know, the same way, what you want to do is, and if you take a peek right now, if you watch Sue, you see how she's putting it? Sue is putting it right here on the actual orbital bone, right through here, all the way on the upper eyelid skin. You want to gently pat it. And you want to go to the crow's feet, and then you want to go in the lower eyelid. And again, you don't want it inside your eye, obviously, but you want to get it 360 around your eye. And this is a product that you can use twice a day, in the morning and before you go to bed. Then you seal it with the HydraScreen.
Okay, so since the doctor says seal it with HydraScreen, for anybody who missed it, we're gonna remind you that HydraScreen is available. We'll tell you about that. If you want the Eye Complex Duo, you need to get on the phone and order.